Hello friends, welcome back again to this amazing channel ZTech, and today in this video I am gonna show you how can you get your Cash App account. So let's get started. If you wanna create your own Cash App account, then you can contact on my social media. I will provide you the method and the documents you can create yourself. But if you wanna buy from me, then you can also contact me. Let me show you the account that I am gonna sell you. Here you can see this is the account, and let me show you the details. Here it is the transaction history of this account. Here you can check the details. Let me show you whether the account is verified or not. This account has been created 1 day ago. As you can see the limits of this account, and the Bitcoin transactions are opened. So this is BTC verified Cash App account. You can just buy it. The prices are given at the end of the video. Let me show you another account. This is my second account on my second phone. You can also check the details of this account. This account is with a lot of transaction history. This is one of the oldest account I have. You can buy an old account, which is good because there is no payment fail issue in these kind of accounts, and you can use this account without an issue. This account is with 25,000 weekly limit, so you can use it for any purpose, like for casino gaming or any other business. If you have, you can check the details. This account is photo verified and also the SSN verified, of course. So you can buy this account and you can contact me on my Instagram or WhatsApp. Now guys, let me show you what price I'm gonna give you. So let's have a look at them. Here are the details of the Cash App account prices. You can just check it, and if you are interested, then my Instagram and WhatsApp is given here. You can just check it and you can contact me to buy them.